It's like 105 with a heat index. My poor dog. I wish I could take him in the house. He won't go. He's scared to death of the house. He just lays in the dirt or under the porch all day. I give him ice cream and I give him milk and I give him cool food. I give him cold meat and cheese and try to make him happy. And then the other thing is my birds up here. I'm going to try to show you my birds and I can't get in there. I don't want them to get mad. Ooh. Oh, the bird flew away. I guess a bird. I'm not gonna hurt him, baby. I won't hurt him. There's eggs in there. Yep, there they are, down in there. Okay, birdie, I'm done. That's okay, baby. I guess I shouldn't have done that. I didn't know he was in there. I guess it's a she. Oh well. My flowers are doing well. Bye.